Alright guys, so as you can see, the little white rim here. Oh, look at that. There's no denying that's silver. Alright, so we're out here at a new permission near a main road, so you might hear some car noises every now and then. The original part is, I'm not sure exactly how old, but this house was built in 1901 and they've remodeled it, turned the porches into like mud rooms and things like that. But there's been a lot of history here at this house and on this farm. As you can see, pretty big, lots of stuff everywhere. I have high hopes in finding something here. Relics, coins, not really sure what, but we're gonna get to it. I'll get back with you guys on the first hole. So we had a screaming 84, 85. Turns out it's a little car, toy car. Looks fairly modern. It does say something on the bottom, but I'll have to clean it up to be able to see exactly what it is. And then we had another signal right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this live. Shouldn't be very deep because the pinpointer was picking it up. Let's see here. Looks like we got a coin. No, a rivet. Alright, so nothing special. Looks a little old, but only a rivet, so we'll keep moving on. I'll see you at the next hole. Okay, so here we are in front of the house. Got a solid 85. Not really sure what it is yet, but we'll have to find out together. Oh, right there she is. Just a memorial. Been finding lots of change in this yard. Nothing super old just yet. It looks like it might be a 1960. Yeah, it looks like a 1960D. Here's to hoping that we find some silver. See that? I'm gonna get my brush. See the shape of it? Huh. Iron pin in there. Probably a horse tack. Yeah. I'll have to let that dry out and take a look at it here in a little bit. On to the next one. Alright. Alright, so Dave got a screaming 87 right here. He found himself a pretty decent little buckle. It's got a nice curve to it. Probably clean up nice. Yeah. The pin was in it, but it fell apart. What can you do? Yeah. Well, let's keep at it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the little white rim here. Oh, look at that. There's no denying that's silver. Probably just a Rosie. Yeah, I see him right there. getting cleaned up. It looks fake, doesn't it? You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Wow, it's in good shape. Looks like we got 1951. I think that's the exact same year as the wheat penny I just found right here. Same plug.
Huh.
This was just a hair deeper. Get my hand clean there. Man, that looks good. Doesn't even look like it was circulated. Alrighty, first silver of the yard. Should I give it to him, guys? Leave a comment down below. Oh no, did my spray bottle break? I just jinxed myself. Alright guys, we'll keep going and hopefully we can find some more good stuff like that. So, as you can see, it got dark on us, so we had to stop. Ended up finding a bunch of pennies. Got 3 Wheaties, 3 nickels, a couple dimes, some kind of button, some bullet shells, a little piece of glass. Got a ring. I know I've seen one of these before, I'm not sure what it is. Found a silver dime. Got on to 5 quarters. A couple buckles. And then my buddy Dave, this is his property. This is a couple things he found. That's a pretty nice little buckle. A honker of a bullet. He actually found this little ring. We'll have to clean it up. There may be some markings on it somewhere. Oh wow. Found some. That's probably off a tractor.
Yep, I guarantee it.
Yeah. Did pretty good for his first time ever touching one of these machines. How you feel?
Had a blast.
That's right. Well guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. We'll probably come back over here sometime soon and see if we can find some more silver. See you guys later.